Hi there, welcome to Dapp Mentors. You've been following the blockchain world. You already know things have shifted. You've enjoyed the reward of Web3 for years, but now a new force have entered the scene: artificial intelligence. And it's transforming how blockchain operates forever. At Dapp Mentors, we saw that wave coming early and we've adapted fast. We've restructured everything we do to help you succeed in this new era of AI-powered blockchain innovation. And today, I am excited to announce that our brand new website, dappmentors.org, is officially live. It's your complete gateway to mastering AI and blockchain the right way. But before you explore everything else, let me tell you about something special: our direct one-on-one coaching service. These are not group classes, they are personal sessions designed for the most driven minds who want direct access to my mentorship. Inside this program, you can book exclusive Web3 class sessions, which will include live coding with me, a personalized curriculum that takes you from Solidity fundamentals all the way to advanced Rust on Solana. You will get real-time feedback, project reviews, and practical skills that makes you unstoppable. And secondly, also premium mentorship packages where I personally guide your journey, debug your code, review your portfolio, and help you pivot your career into blockchain development with confidence. It's flexible, focused, and built around you. These slots are strictly limited. So if you're serious about learning from me directly, go now to dappmentors.org and secure your place. And beyond that, you will also find on-demand Web3 courses, books, and code bases, which you can stream instantly. 2, you will also find full AI and blockchain development services for startups and businesses ready to innovate, including for an individual as well. 3, among the services you will find are private consultancy sessions where I help you to solve challenges, optimize your project, or strategize your next big move. Whatever your goal is, to learn, build, or to scale, we've got you covered. Visit dappmentors.org today. Start exploring, start building, start winning. Because here at Dapp Mentors, we don't just teach the future, we help you create it. Please also hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the classes.